तो बच्चे आप लोग पहले सुनोगे व्हाट इज लाइट. यस हिमानी, वेलकम बैक. बच्चे दिस चैप्टर इज अबाउट लाइट, रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन. दो हिस्सों में डिवाइडेड है ये. तो व्हाट इज लाइट? लाइट इज एन एनर्जी व्हिच इनेबल्स अस टू सी एन ऑब्जेक्ट. कहते हैं आंखें तो हैं, आंखें आईज तो हैं, उनको आईज दे आर कॉल्ड एज सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स which senses light. You must have seen when you enter a dark room, you feel that you are temporarily blind. Yes, for a few seconds you feel that as if you are blind for a few seconds. Yes. अब सिनेमा हॉल में एंटर करते हो तो आप देखा होगा आपने बिल्कुल अंधों की तरह हाथ ऐसे आगे करके चलते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it happens because there is no light and our retina, हमारे में retina में there is a protein called as retinin that breaks down. और उसको दोबारा assemble होने में it takes few seconds. That is why we become temporarily blind for a few seconds when we enter a dark room all of a sudden from bright light. So light is a very important part. Light enables us to see. It is a form of energy. And first of all, we'll be starting with this topic, reflection. And then I'll move with the next part, that is reflection. So अगर light जो है So light is a light की definition अगर आप बोलते हो तो it is a form of energy that produce sensation of seeing. And these sources which emit light, the objects which emit light, they are called as luminous objects. Luminous objects are those objects which emit light. Okay, जो emit करते हैं light, they are called as luminous objects. और non-luminous objects हो गया which do not have their own light, but they reflect the light from other object. That is the light which falls on it, they reflect that light. So I am repeating, light तो पहले मैंने आपको definition लिख बताई है, पहले आप सिर्फ समझोगे, फिर उसके बाद I'll start with the writing part. I'll dictate you the definition. पहले सिर्फ समझ लो. Light is a source of energy which enables us to see an object. So there are two types of objects, luminous and non-luminous. Luminous objects are those objects which emit light. Non-luminous, they do not emit light and they reflect the light that falls on them. Am I clear with these definition? Yes? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please start with the writing part then. Light ki definition likho. It is a form of energy which enables us it is a light is a form
Ma'am,
of
are you
energy.
telling about the luminous object?
No, I have started with this definition. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see the object. Who is this? Okay. Yes, hi Lavanya, welcome to the class. So we have just now started with this new chapter, light. So this is a new chapter for everyone. Okay, so light is what? Light is, okay. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see. So it's a form of energy which enables us to, I've just now told you this definition. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see an object. Next is luminous objects. There are some objects which emit light. तो लिखो इसमें definition luminous, Luminous, luminous objects. The objects which emit light. Sometimes we call them as source of light. This is sun. Sun is a natural source of light. Tube, bulbs, these are artificial source of light. बहुत सारे बच्चे ये पूछते हैं कि मैम जैसे ये sunlight है, it is essential for plants, but if we keep them in artificial light like tube light or bulb light, will they grow? Yes, anyone who will tell me this answer? If we keep
Ma'am,
plants,
they will not grow.
they will grow. Acha,
No.
they will not grow.
Ma'am, will you explain again?
हाँ.
Question what you asked.
Acha, yes. I was asking बच्चे कि what will happen to the plants if you keep them in tube light or not in the natural light? If you keep them in torch light or tube light or bulb light, what will happen to them? Will they grow?
Ma'am, in tube light, they will not grow. In natural light, they grow.
How many? Okay, how many of you are saying? Mute yourself, Farjot. How many of you are saying? Just raise your hand that they will grow in only natural light. Only natural.
Ma'am, they
Shant,
can grow, but ma'am, not that efficiently like in sunlight.
Ma'am, they can grow, but it will slower than the natural one.
Yes. My dear students, yes, it is seen that if you grow them in the lab conditions, they'll grow for sure. And if the temperature, other conditions are kept optimum, then they'll grow in abundance. अगर आपने कभी ये सुना है कि हम किसी भी प्लांट के पार्ट को ग्रो कर सकते हैं आर्टिफिशियली इन लैब कंडीशंस, और वो ग्रो करने के बाद देन यू कैन यूज दोस प्लांटलेट्स टू ग्रो ट्रीज और ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स. तो जो वो करते हैं, जो आर्टिफिशियली ग्रो कर रहे हैं, दे आर डूइंग इट इन ट्यूब लाइट्स. बट अगर हम ये कहें कि आदिल के घर में बहुत सारे ऑर्नामेंटल प्लांट्स हैं, पॉटेड प्लांट्स हैं, और वो घर के बाहर का जो पॉट प्लांट है उसको कमरे में रख रहा है, इट विल नॉट ग्रो फॉर श्योर, because conditions are not optimum. Even if the light is there, other conditions like carbon dioxide, chlorophyll or air, all the conditions, moisture in air, that they are not sufficient to that plant. But agar aapne dekha hai, in case of money plant, it grows. Yes, even if you keep them in washrooms, I have seen many have kept their money plant in a bottle in washrooms, or maybe in a corner of kitchen or somewhere, places where there is no light, they are growing in abundance. Yes, have you ever seen this?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No. Okay, anyone who has seen this?
Yes, ma'am.
It is, yes, it's common. It's common कि मनी प्लांट को एक बॉटल में, या even in a glass or in a bottle or maybe in a jar, you keep them, they'll grow on their own. This type of culture is known as hydroponics, जिसमें soil की जरूरत ही नहीं होती. तो आप लिख रहे थे luminous objects, the objects which emit light. Non-luminous में लिखो objects which do not emit light, emit their own light, but reflect the light falling on it. But reflect the light falling on it. The objects, they do not emit light, but reflect the light falling on it. Now, I'm going to start with the new topic, that is reflection. मैंने आपको बताया light is divided into two. This chapter has two parts, reflection and refraction. आज हम सिर्फ ये पढ़ेंगे reflection. आपने देखा है अगर आप एक बॉल को एक वॉल की तरफ, दिस इज, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ वॉल, आपके पास एक बॉल आती है, आप बॉल को थ्रो करते हो तो वो बाउंस बैक होती है. दिस बाउंसिंग बैक ऑफ बॉल इनटू द सेम मीडियम, this happens in case of reflection also. Reflection, in case of reflection, the light rays, they are bounced back into the same medium after striking a surface. And what is this surface? It is a mirror, plain mirror. शीशा कभी किसी ने प्लेन मिरर अगर देखा है किसी ने भी, तो मिरर मुझे बताओ, किसी ने अगर किसी के घर में अगर शीशा टूटा है, किसी ने गाड़ी का व्हीकल का शीशा नीचे गिरा हुआ देखा है,
Yes, ma'am.
तो मुझे बताओ, हाउ कैन वी
Yes.
कन्वर्ट अ ग्लास इनटू अ मिरर? यस, हु विल टेल मी?
Ma'am.
Just raise your hand, बच्चे नहीं, this is not done. I have asked you to raise your hand. Adil, please mute yourself. बेटे, हाँ. Okay, Harika, yes, speak out.
And by polishing one.
Ma'am, I did not say anything.
Okay, okay. नहीं, even unmute बच्चे. हाँ, बोलो, Harika.
Ma'am, by polishing one of its sides.
Polishing surface. Okay.
Yes.
Polishing with paint.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, by coating silver.
Yes, by coating silver, and then by painting on, by applying paint on it. ठीक है? So yes, you both were right, but it is done by applying silver paint. अगर आप एक प्लेन ग्लास को लेते हो, एक शीशे को लेते हो जो आर पार दिखता है, जिससे उसके पीछे अगर सिल्वर पेंट करते हो और उसके ऊपर अगर एक ग्रीन ऑरेंज पेंट अप्लाई करते हो, then your glass can be changed into a mirror. How many of you have seen this layers? Silver paint, green, या फिर okay, उसके पीछे paint. Okay, what is the reason that we apply paint on silver polish or silver paint? What is the reason that we apply? Okay, Himani, yes. Okay, Varjot.
मैम टू रिफ्लेक्ट टू द मैम जो उनसे लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो या वो पीछे ना जा सके तो वो रिफ्लेक्ट बैक
नहीं,
होके मैम
वो तो सिल्वर पेंट का काम था.
यस
तो फिर हमने वो उसके ऊपर क्यों लगाया है?
व्हाट मैम क्या
उसके पीछे पेंट क्यों लगाया है? What is the reason?
मैम क्योंकि मैम ऑब्जेक्ट बैक साइड पे ना बन पाए मैम
No, no. Anyone else? Anyone from girls' side? Yes. Try. Yes, Adil. Yes. Who will tell me the answer? Ankit, Bhavit, Chahat. Yes, anyone? Janvi, Kaya, Kamal, Himani, Lavanya, Rohan, Soumya. Anyone? Yes, Varjot. You have raised your hand. Okay. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा देखो, बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो आप लोगों को बेसिकली पता होने चाहिए. फॉर कन्वर्टिंग ग्लास इनटू अ मिरर, एक ग्लास के ऊपर हम सिल्वर पेंट करते हैं, सिल्वर पेंट अप्लाई करते हैं, एंड नाउ दिस mirror is changed, this glass is changed into a mirror. No, not for this. I'll tell you the reason. I'll tell you, Shan. Then in order to prevent any damage to this paint, silver polish, we apply paint on its surface. Okay, so it acts like a covering. कभी किसी ने पुराने शीशे को अगर देखा है, तो जहां जहां सिल्वर की पॉलिश उतरी होती है, सिल्वर पेंट नहीं होता, वहां से वो मिरर एक ग्लास के रूप में काम करता है. यस, एनीवन? किसी ने अगर पुराने शीशे को देखा है,
यस
जिसको
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, this happens.
मैम आई एम आल्सो सेइंग दैट मैम तो
But I don't think so. You said this to prevent any damage to the paint.
मैम आई हैव टोल्ड दैट द ऑब्जेक्ट मैम image formed in the back side not
हाँ, it will not form any image. नहीं, back side पे नहीं आएगी बेटे. It is always on the other side. Image is always, the light rays always falls on the side other than the painted side. ठीक है? जहाँ पॉलिश होता है उसके दूसरी साइड से जो है लाइट्स जो है उसके ऊपर पड़ती हैं, दे फॉल ऑन द सरफेस. और प्यारे बच्चों, आप लोग बचपन से मुझे लगता है 3rd 4th से पढ़ते आ रहे हो, light which strikes the surface is called as incident ray,
incident
or
reflected
and ray of light which bounces back from the surface, or it is called as reflected ray. Ray which strikes and ray which is reflected back. Now we make a normal is perpendicular to its surface. जो इसके परपेंडिकुलर, मिरर के परपेंडिकुलर बनाया जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज नॉर्मल. नॉर्मल मींस परपेंडिकुलर. द एंगल बिटवीन, सिर्फ सुनना है आपने, एंड मेक यू राइट डाउन लेटर ऑन. द एंगल बिटवीन incident ray, please mute yourself. Come on. The angle between incident ray and normal, sorry, incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. The angle between reflected ray and normal is called as angle of reflection. तो आपने अभी इसमें सिर्फ ये 3 चीजें पढ़ी, इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे, नॉर्मल, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. And this is the point of incidence. This is also important क्योंकि अब आप लोग NTSC की भी तैयारी साथ साथ कर रहे हो, तो उसमें कुछ चीजें ऐसी आएंगी जो आप लोगों को पता होनी चाहिए. This is the point of incidence. So this is the diagram showing incident ray, reflected ray and normal. Please make this diagram quickly. Write down the definition of reflection, the phenomenon in which,
Sorry, ma'am.
write down the definition. Reflection की definition लिखो, everyone. The phenomenon in which a ray of light after falling on smooth surface, after falling on smooth polished लिख लेना. The phenomenon in which ray of light after falling on smooth polished surface returns back into the same medium. Ankit, how was your test, Vijay? You had your test on Saturday, is it? Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
how was your science
Ma'am,
test, Vijay?
please repeat. Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay, I'll do that, Vijay. Ankit, share your question paper, Vijay.
Ma'am, ma'am, shared the question paper on the screen.
Okay, okay. ठीक है बेटा. The ray of light after falling on smooth polished surface returns back into the same medium. और simple terms में आप बोल सकते हो bouncing back of light into the same medium. The phenomenon in which ray of light after falling a smooth surface, polished surface, returns back into the same medium. Please draw this diagram. Be quick.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Drawing also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you are done with the writing part, drawing part, then write down. Definition लिखो. Incident ray. A ray of light which falls on the polished surface.
Ma'am, incident.
Yes, incident ray. The ray of light which falls on the polished surface.
Ma'am, on the
Polished surface. Next definition लिखो. A reflected ray. ध्यान से सुनना है because सबकी turn आने वाली है. I'm going to ask question in the end. कमल, आपने सबसे लास्ट में बाय बाय करनी है. Okay. Reflected ray में लिखो, ray of light which gets reflected from polished surface.
Ma'am, please repeat the definition.
Okay, I'll do that bit. Ray of light which gets reflected from polished surface. Ray of light which gets reflected from polished surface. Next definition, normal.
ma'am, which gets Excuse me, ma'am.
Normal is, it is a line at right angle to the It is a line at right angle to the reflecting surface.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay. Normal is a line. Normal is a line. A right angle to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay. Normal की definition लिख रहे हो. It is a line at right angle. It is a line at right angle to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. Next definition, angle of reflection. Yes, Bhavit, what is angle of reflection? The angle between?
Ma'am, may I tell?
No, let him first, Vijay. Bhavit, what is angle of incidence? Please be quick. Okay, Janvi, what is angle of incidence?
Yes, ma'am, it's a right angle reflecting surface to the point of reflect. In between is a line which reflects the surface.
It's an angle of incidence, Janvi. Okay, Kaya. Angle
Ma'am,
of
may I?
incidence. नहीं,
Ma'am,
नहीं,
the
नहीं,
angle
नहीं.
between the incident ray and the normal.
Yes, yes. It is an angle made by incident ray with the normal. Okay. Janvi, आप normal बता रहे थे बेटे. I asked you
Ma'am, I was
what is.
mistaken.
हाँ, I asked you about angle of incidence. So it is the angle made by incident ray with normal. Bhavit, what happened, bete? Is there something with your mic or what happened? You are the first one to speak. So angle of incidence में लिखो angle made by incident ray with normal. Rohan, what is angle of reflection?
The angle between reflected ray and normal.
Yes, very good. लिखो the angle made by reflected ray with the normal. And be quick because इसमें topics थोड़े ज़्यादा हैं और थोड़ा सा हम details में पढ़ेंगे.
Ma'am, the
Angle made by reflected ray with normal. Now there are two different types of reflection. One is a regular reflection. Please look on your screen. I'm making the diagram. This is called as regular reflection. So there are two types. This is the types of reflection. एक ये ऐसी reflection है regular, जो सिर्फ smooth surface पे पड़ी, and ये beams जो parallel आ रही थी, वो incident जो parallel beams थी, वो incident reflected हो गई. Sorry, reflected हुई parallel beams. ठीक है? Parallel ही आई, parallel ही हो गई. This is for regular. But there are some kinds of reflections which are diffused ones. इनको regular का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? Irregular. Or sometimes they are called as diffuse. Diffuse मतलब mixed. पता ही नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ चले गए. जैसे if parallel beams of light, they are striking the surface, after reflection, they are going in different direction. So this is diffused one. Write down types में लिखो ऊपर heading. Be quick. Types of reflection. First, irregular. When parallel beam of light falls on smooth surface. When parallel beam of light falls on smooth surface, then reflected beam is also parallel.
ma'am, light.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay, I'll do that. मुझे देखो इसमें था regular reflection when a parallel beam of light falls on smooth surface, then reflected beam is also parallel. Okay, then reflected beam is also parallel. For example, search lights. सर्चिंग लाइट्स देखी है आपने? टॉर्च जो होती है सर्च लाइट फैलती भी जाती है अगर आप
Yes, ma'am.
when you go for a trek in the night, trekking पे आप जा रहे हो या जंगल में एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो तो you need these search lights. They have vast vision. So and even headlights of car, automobiles की जो headlights होती हैं, अगर आपने देखा हो गाड़ी अगर अपोजिट डायरेक्शन से आ रही है तो आप टेम्परली ब्लाइंड भी हो जाते हो, इतनी स्ट्रांग होती है. हाई बीम पे कहते हैं नहीं चलाओ, बट हाईवेज पे दे यूज हाई बीम ओनली. इज दिस yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
तो हाई बीम जब लाइट जाती है सौम्य, अगर आपने देखा है तो हाईवे पे जब पेरेंट्स ड्राइव कर रहे हैं अपोजिट डायरेक्शन से रात को लाइट्स पड़ती हैं तो आईज में इतना स्ट्रेन पड़ता है कि आपको दिखना बंद हो जाता है कुछ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड के लिए. So high beam, the lights and they are not allowed within a locality, but they are used frequently in highways. So next आप लिख रहे हो irregular. अब आप लिख लें example in case of searchlights and headlights of cars. Diffuse में लिखो when parallel beam of light falls on rough surface. When a parallel beam of light falls on rough surface, then reflected light is not parallel. Can anyone give me an example of diffused reflection?
Ma'am, in this space.
Space, okay. Anywhere
Ma'am,
else?
water.
Water, on the surface of water, yes. Even in case of wooden table, newspaper, these are all in examples of diffused reflection. Surface is not smooth. अगर हम table की बात करें, तो table does not have smooth surface. Diffused light पड़ती है.
Ma'am, can we say oil?
Oil, yes. Except glass, all the surfaces they have diffused or irregular surface. आपने normally देखा होगा. In fact, oil sometimes behave like a glass. है ना? Oil पे ऐसे लगता है mirror image बन रही है. Yes. पानी के ऊपर अगर oil हो तो you can see a reflection, smooth reflection, है ना? Is it? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो but in on wooden table, on newspaper, anything which you can see in your surrounding, they all have this diffused light. इसमें example लिख लो. Light reflected from, for example, wooden table, newspaper, and you draw. Please draw this diagram also. Irregular and irregular.
Done, ma'am.
All the diagrams, both the diagrams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now write down heading laws of reflection.
Please repeat the definition of irregular.
Irregular, okay. Irregular thing, when a parallel beam of light falls on a rough surface, then reflected light is not parallel. Now, please write down heading. Laws of reflection. Now, what are the laws of reflection? बच्चे laws वो तब बनते हैं when it is applicable to all the mirrors in the world. So then we say that it is a law. ठीक है, पहले हम theory देते हैं, फिर then it becomes law if we have some example attached to it. मतलब हमने it is applicable to all the kinds of mirror. तो plane mirror के लिए law बन गया. And what is this law is? आपने ये फिर से बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. सबसे पहला law ये
Angle
था.
of incident equals to angle
Yes,
of
yes. The first law is incident ray, reflected ray, normal. At the point of incidence, all lines same plane. Yes. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal. At the point of incidence, all lines same plane. और second जो अभी बरजोत ने बताया, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. That is angle I equals to angle R. Yes or no? सबको पता है ये? How many
Yes.
of you? How many of you are aware of these laws? I guess everyone. Okay, Himani Harika, be quick, be quick. Shan, Rohan, Prab, Kaya, Janvi, Adil, Varjot, Chahat, okay. Yes, Bhavit, Kamal, Lavanya, Soumya, I'm waiting, bete. Ankit, be quick. Okay, Bhavit, Kamal, Dan, okay. Okay, sure, got it, bacha. Yes, Lavanya, is everything clear to you? Unmute yourself, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay. Bacha, how many chapters you have done in your school? Yes, Lavanya.
We have started with electricity right now because our physics teacher was not there in the starting.
Okay. Okay. So this chapter, you have not started with this chapter, light, in your school? No. Chahat, you are from which school?
Amity.
Okay, from Gurgaon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. She's also, Lavanya is also from Gurgaon, and she's, Anna, you are from Gurgaon, Lavanya?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, Manav
Oh,
Rachna.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's beside my school only. Like, we are
Okay, okay. Chalo, that's nice to hear. Chalo, good. So we are doing this topic. Yes, so don't worry, we'll be starting with electricity also. All the chapters that have been done in your school, we'll be completing it because we have plenty of time during this summer vacations. So we'll try to complete and revise the syllabus also. So I'll try to take your extra classes, okay? It's for everyone. I'll be taking extra classes for numericals, for revisions. So don't worry about science. It is my headache.
Ma'am,
Just
my science paper is on 26 and the syllabus is till 171. So could you please complete it before that?
this chapter only, na? You
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
So don't worry, don't worry. I'll try to be quick. I'm just starting with the basic part and I'll be quick. Okay. So write down laws of reflection. आज ही काफी part complete हो जाएगा. Don't worry. Laws of reflection में सबसे पहला लिखो incident ray, reflected ray and normal. Incident ray, reflected ray and normal. At the point of incidence, incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence all lie in same plane.
Ma'am, please repeat.
incident ray, reflected ray, and normal. At the point of incidence, all lines same plane. Next point, angle of reflection and angle of incidence are equal. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you there are two types of images. Laws clear hai sabhi ko?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now there are two types of images. सिर्फ समझ लो क्योंकि बाकी के topics they are quite easy. If you are clear with the basic, then you can do them also. Types of images. एक image होती है real image. एक होती है image virtual image. Okay. So there are two types of images, real image and virtual image. Real नाम से पता चल रहा है कि it is the actual meeting of light rays. Virtual images, they appear to meet, मतलब नकली. Virtual means नकली. Real means real. When the rays of light, they are actually meeting at a point of incident, at a point after reflection, then it is real image. For example, एक किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की जब हमने सपोज दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट और इसकी इमेज यहां से यहां and actually I am crossing these rays and I'm forming an image. So when the light rays with lines and they are actually meeting, these are crossing at a point after reflection. ये टकराई ये वापस आ गई reflect back हुई ये incidentally reflect back हुई and after reflection both of them are pointing at a point. This is called as real image. Am I clear? Yes.
Ma'am, will you explain
Okay, I'll explain it again. अच्छा दो तरह की इमेजेस बनती हैं. ये सपोज मिरर है. मिरर अभी आपको बताया पॉलिश सरफेस है. एक तरफ पेंट किया हुआ पॉलिश किया हुआ दूसरी तरफ से लाइट रे स्ट्राइक करेगी. तो जो लाइट स्ट्राइक की सपोज दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट आपने एक कैंडल रखी हुई है कैंडल से लाइट गई टकराई और अगर वो लाइट को हम स्ट्राइक करवाते हैं सपोज दिस इज द लाइट फ्रॉम कैंडल कैंडल की वो जो ऊपर लिट है उससे लाइट जा रही है आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन इट इज कमिंग बैक तो लाइट सीधा आ गई. एक और लाइट रे थी वो टकरा के नीचे से टकरा के इधर वापस आ गई एंड दे बोथ दीज लाइट रेज आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन वापस होने के बाद बाउंस बैक होने के बाद दे आर मीटिंग एट अ पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट वेयर द मीट फॉर्म्स एन इमेज व्हिच इज रियल इमेज. और कई बार क्या होता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट इतना पास होता है मिरर के दिस इज अ मिरर ऑब्जेक्ट इज सो क्लोज टू द मिरर दिस इज अ मिरर मिरर में एक सरफेस पॉलिश होती है दूसरी प्लेन. तो जहां मैंने ये लाइंस बनाई है ना ये स्लैंट्स बनाए हैं दैट मींस इट इज अ पॉलिश. तो पॉलिश सरफेस ये प्लेन सरफेस है. तो अब जब बिल्कुल पास कर दिया ना ऑब्जेक्ट के तो लाइट रे स्ट्राइक की रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हुई दूसरी लाइट रे स्ट्राइक की रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हुई. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स इन दिस केस the mirror is very close to the object तो ये लाइट जो है पीछे भाग जाएगी. और इसको दोनों को बैकवर्डली जब हम प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, इनको हमें लाइट को एक्सटेंड करना पड़ा, असली में नहीं हुई लाइट रेस, असली में तो यहाँ मीट हुई बट यहाँ नहीं हम इमेज बनेगी क्योंकि मिरर के बिल्कुल पास है ऑब्जेक्ट. तो light rays, they are formed at the back of the mirror. This type of image, when the light rays are not actually meeting but we are producing lines to meet them, is called as virtual. Virtual मतलब होता है नकली. We'll come back to this point. Don't worry, when I'll explain the image formation by different mirror, then it will be more clear. तो अब सिर्फ इतना याद रखो कि जब light rays they are actually meeting, it is called as real image, and when they are not meeting, they appear to meet. When they are extended, then it is called as virtual image. Heading लिखो real image. Real image में लिखो. When a beam of light from an object, when a beam of light from an object actually meets at a point, when a beam of light from object actually meets at a point after reflection. तो जब light rays actually meet कर रही हैं, then it is called as, when a beam of light from an object actually meets at a point after reflection.
Ma'am, the image formed in a mirror is virtual, right?
Yes. जो प्लेन मिरर में आपकी इमेज बनती है, दैट इज वर्चुअल. क्योंकि हमें दिखती नहीं, परछाई नहीं, शैडो नहीं दिखती, एंड यू कैन नॉट सी वेयर द इमेज, wherever you stand in front of mirror, the image is always formed, but it is always behind. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि दिखेगा. Suppose चाहत is standing in front of mirror, ऐसा नहीं है कि पीछे भी चाहत दिखेगी. So it appears as if it is formed behind the mirror because there is no image formation in front of it. You cannot see that image. So there must be some image, क्योंकि image के बगैर तो दिखेगा ही नहीं. Write down virtual image.
Ma'am, will you repeat, ma'am, the real image definition?
Real image लिखो बेटे. When a beam of light from an object actually meets at a point after reflection. और virtual में लिखो, when a beam of light from an object does not meet when a beam of light from an object does not meet at a point but appears to meet or diverge after reflection. Done everyone? Virtual image आ गई और real image.
Yes,
आ
ma'am.
गई.
Really?
Okay. Let us start with the activity that is given in your NCRT. Much 10.1. Yes, John, we read out that activity for everyone. Be quick. 10.1 to show that inner curved surface of spoon act as a concave mirror.
Ma'am, this one, take a large shining spoon, try to view.
Yes, yes, yes.
Take a large shining spoon, try to view your face in the curved surface. Do you get the image? Is it smaller or large? Move the spoon slowly away from your face. Observe the image. How does it change? Reverse the spoon and repeat the activity. How does the image look like now? Compare the characteristics of the image on the two surfaces.
Okay. बच्चे अब अपने अगर स्पून को प्लीज ट्राई दिस एक्टिविटी एट योर प्लेस आल्सो. अगर आप एक स्पून लेते हो और अगर इनर कर्व सरफेस व्हेन यू लुक एट इट, तो उसमें स्पून जो है ऐसा लगेगा फेस इज वेरी क्लोज, स्पून इज वेरी क्लोज टू योर फेस. और आपको जो इमेज दिखेगी दैट इज मैग्निफाइड लार्ज इमेज और इरेक्ट इमेज ऑफ फेस. Got it? When you look at the inner curved surface, then your image will be magnified and erect. अब आपने क्या करना है, उस स्पून को थोड़ा दूर लेके जाना है. Move the spoon slowly away from your face. It is observed that magnified image appears inverted. थोड़ी दूरी में जाओगे, स्पून को अपनी तरफ से दूर लेके जाओगे, एकदम इमेज उल्टी हो जाएगी. और अगर आप और दूर लेके जाओगे, when the spoon is moved further away, the size of the inverted image goes on decreasing. How many of you are clear with this experiment? Yes, raise your hand. Okay, जब पास में था स्पून, and it's an interesting एक्सपेरिमेंट कि अगर आपके पास है तो वो आपको दिख रही है मैग्नीफाइड डायरेक्ट इमेज. जैसे ही आप दूर लेके जाओगे तो इन्वर्टेड इमेज आएगी, और अगर और दूर लेके जाओगे तो इन्वर्टेड, द साइज ऑफ दैट इमेज विल कीप ऑन डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, सो राइट डाउन कंक्लूजन. पहले लिखो ऑब्जर्वेशन. यस,
Ma'am, what
लावण्य.
is the aim?
Okay, I'll dictate. Yes, Lavanya, we do every activity from the chapter. So I'll ask everyone to write the activity, and then I'll tell you the conclusion. This is how we do in all the chapters. Write down activity 10.1 to show that inner curved surface of spoon act as concave mirror.
Ma'am, it's A, ma'am.
Aim to show that inner curved surface of plane mirror acts as to show that inner surface of spoon acts as concave mirror. इसमें लिखो ऑब्जर्वेशन. When spoon is closer to face,
Closer to face.
when spoon is closer to face, large magnified and erect image of face is formed.
Magnified and
Magnified and erect image of face is formed. और next लिखो observation में second point. If spoon is slowly moved away from face, if spoon is moved slowly away from face, the image appears inverted if spoon is moved uh, slowly away from face, image appears to be inverted and its size goes on decreasing. और यही प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं कनकेव मिरर की. सो आप लिख सकते हैं कंक्लूजन में, इनर कर्व सरफेस एक्ट एज कनकेव मिरर.
सॉरी मैम.
कंक्लूजन में लिखो, इनर सरफेस एक्ट्स एज कनकेव मिरर. सेकेंड एक्टिविटी है to show that outer surface act as convex mirror. Yes, Kaya, please read this activity to show that outer curved surface act as outer curved surface of spoon. Spoon में दो sides होती हैं, inner curved और outer curved, है ना. Inner में अब आपने देख लिया, it is a concave mirror. It is behaving like a concave mirror. Let's see about outer curved surface. Speak out.
Yes, ma'am. Hold a concave mirror in your hand and direct its reflecting surface towards the sun. Direct the light reflected by the mirror onto the
नहीं
spoon.
नहीं बच्चे नहीं. क्या ये एक्टिविटी है to show that outer curved surface of spoon acts as
Ma'am,
convex?
it is just written that reverse the spoon and repeat
Ah,
that.
reverse. Yes. Reverse the spoon. Okay, so write down. I think this activity is not given. Kaya will get back to this activity. लिखो. Aim लिखो to show that outer curved surface act as convex mirror. Observation में लिखो.
Wait.
Outer surface of the spoon act as convex mirror. Observation में. When spoon is closer to face, when spoon is closer to face, when spoon is closer to face, small and erect image of face is formed.
Can you repeat?
It is observed that erect and smaller image of face is formed. It is observed that erect and smaller image of face is formed. Second point, when spoon is slowly moved away, the nature of image remains the same. When spoon is slowly moved away, it is observed that nature of the image remains the same. Now I'm going to start with spherical mirrors. I guess सभी को ये बात समझ आ चुकी है. Now, very interesting topic, spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors क्या होते हैं? अगर आप imagine करो, एक glass ball है आपके पास, ठीक है? एक ball है which is made up of a glass. और अगर आप उस बॉल को एक तरफ से पॉलिश कर देते हो और उसका एक हिस्सा लेते हो, उसका एक पार्ट यूज करते हो एज अ सोर्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस, पूरी बॉल थी, उसका थोड़ा सा आपने हिस्सा लिया है और उसके बाहर की सरफेस को पॉलिश किया है, तो इनर सरफेस विल बी रिफ्लेक्टिंग, and when outer surface is polished, inner is reflecting. It is called as concave mirror. concave mirror में outer polished होगी, अंदर से ये खाली है. This is a hollow sphere made up of glass, and on one side it is polished, rest of the glass is absent. तो अगर आप इतना सा टुकड़ा अगर आपने ग्लास का लिया, उसकी बाहर सरफेस को पॉलिश किया, then it will be concave. और सेम ग्लास बॉल को अगर आप एक हिस्सा लेते हो और उसके इनर सरफेस को पॉलिश कर देते हो, if the inner surface is polished and outer surface is reflecting surface, then it is the case for convex. How many of you are clear with this concept?
Ma'am,
Then
can you repeat
okay,
it?
okay, I'll repeat. अच्छा, मैंने आपको बोला एक ग्लास बॉल है आपके पास which is hollow from inside, और उसका एक छोटा सा आपने हिस्सा लिया है जिसमें outer surface is polished, inner is reflecting, so it is a case of concave mirror. And in other case, the outer surface is smooth, whereas inner surface is polished. This is the case of convex mirror. So there are two types of mirror which can be made, concave and convex. In the case of concave mirror, outer surface is silver and inner is act as reflecting surface, whereas in case of convex mirror, the outer surface is reflecting surface and inner surface is polished. So this is concave and convex. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Write down heading spherical mirrors.
Ma'am, concave mirror.
Yes, first write down types of mirrors में लिखो concave mirror. It is a part of hollow sphere. It is a part of hollow sphere where outer surface is silvered It is a part of hollow sphere where outer surface is silvered and inner surface act as reflecting surface. Part of hollow sphere where it is a part of hollow sphere where outer surface is silvered and inner surface act as reflecting surface. Convex mirror में लिखो. It is a part of hollow sphere It is a part of hollow sphere whose outer surface act as reflecting surface. उल्टा हो गया. Outer surface act as reflecting surface and inner surface is polished. You can make the diagrams also. In this case, it is reflecting surface. And this is polished. And here also this is polished. And this is reflecting. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is all about spherical mirrors. अब spherical mirrors में आप सिर्फ समझोगे क्योंकि नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसके रे डायग्राम्स पूरे कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. सबसे पहले तो आपको समझना है. अगर मैंने आपको बोला दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ एन हॉलो स्फेयर, तो सेंटर ऑफ स्फेयर इज नोन एज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. जो सर्कल का सेंटर है उसी को हम सेंटर लेते हैं. और जो पॉलिश सरफेस थी, सपोज दिस इज अ कनकेव मिरर, the light ray passing from center as well as the center of the mirror is called as principal axis. What is principal axis? Line passing from center of curvature and center of this mirror. Total जो center से outer part तक क्या होगा? It will be the radius. This is radius. You all know this is radius of curvature, radius of circle, radius of curvature.
Yes.
Radius का half होगा focus. So half of radius will be focus.
Ma'am, and what is PA?
Principal axis, the line passing from center of curvature and mid of this mirror.
Okay.
Okay, clear everyone? So this was all about the spherical mirror. I'll make you write down the all the terms in the next class. I hope you all are clear with the basic terms today, because we'll be completing all the ray diagrams in the next class. Okay? Yes? Clear everyone?
Yes.
Am I
Yes,
clear with this center of curvature?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Center of curvature is the center of the sphere. Radius of curvature is the radius of the sphere. Principal axis is the line joining center of curvature and the center of mirror. And this center of mirror is called as pole. Sorry. Center of mirror is called as pole. So what is pole? Pole is the midpoint of the mirror. What is focus? Half of radius of curvature. That's it.
Ma'am, can we say that the pole is in between the radius and the principal axis?
No, no, no. Principal axis is just an extension of line. It can be here till here. It can be till here. It can be extended up to this part also. The pole is the point of the mirror. Point from where it crosses. Okay. The principal axis is not fixed. Got it? So I guess these points are clear, because if these basic points are clear to you, believe me, जो हम ray diagrams करने वाले हैं, I'm going to tell you a trick how to learn those. इतने easy लगेंगे आपको ray diagrams. We'll be completing ray diagrams for concave and convex in the next class. And please do not miss your next class. Yes, yes.
Can we say that the distance between the center and the pole is focus?
Center and pole is focus or radius?
Radius. Yes.
Radius, yes. Let it make more simple by saying that radius of the sphere is known as radius of curvature. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll be completing this topic in the next class. I hope you all are clear. If you have any doubt, just stay back. Otherwise, you can leave, and see you in the next class. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye for now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Science exam